Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can read of the title of this video is I'm going to throw a party for two Valentine's Day for my fiance. So he's at work right now guys, so I'm going to start decorating our office. I decided to decorate our office instead of our bedroom because our bedroom is bigger guys and the office is more cozy. It's actually have bed also in here. We don't know where to put it. This office is kind of like movie room, a gaming room, and snuggle rooms, and among other stuff. So yeah, let's just get decorating guys. So this is what he gave to me guys. Some Grab guys delivered it today. He's already at work guys, but I received a delivery. Orchids, so cute. He also gave this to me guys. This is a Xiaomi fitness, something like that guys. So it's so cute. Xiaomi. And I have to do it, I think 30 balloons guys. I'm gonna look if what in here. It says have this thing inside, but I haven't really checked. Okay, it's a big balloon and have a letter, love. It say love. So I'm just gonna do the balloons guys. I'm also going to cook chicken pasta with tomato sauce, so that red it matches the Valentine's Day color red. So I'm going to cook that for our dinner. And now I'm just gonna finish off all the balloons guys, because there's a lot of balloon. I'm not gonna video the whole thing. And then guys, I have all the hearts in here, so I'm gonna spread it on the floor and on the bed, so it's look romantic. Both of these I'm gonna put on the stairs, so when he come up, and then we're gonna open the door in here. I'm just gonna on my camera guys. I don't know where to put it. It's also good to make some effort to, you know, to show someone that you care for them and appreciate, love them so much. Yeah, and soon we're going to have a baby guys this year, and I'm so excited. Just like this guys, and then I'm gonna light some candles later. I'm gonna put in here. So that's it guys, I decorated and I'm going to cook dinner now. Pasta, and then some chicken. I hate when the lights is against here. I'm just using my phone right now guys, because I already set up the camera. You can see the camera here. You can really see the camera. It's in there. So I set it up and I'm just waiting for him. He's gonna be here about 15 minutes and I'm just gonna light the candles And yeah, all the candles in here, I shape it with heart, and I'm gonna show you guys. So it's kind of dark right now, guys, I'm sorry, but yeah, this idea, guys, so nice, right? Happy Valentine's to everyone. Lights.
Holy moly.
Happy Valentine's Day, babe.
Happy Valentine. Wow. Sana all. Since when did we get this? I love you.
You hungry?
What happened in here? You're filming us?
Just more memories. I want to see your other gifts.
What gifts?
I only one gift. Okay, gifts. It's in there, down there.
You're not nice to me. But I love you.
I love you.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Not just you.
Mm.
Yeah.
Little.
10 minutes back massage. Little
You don't want that.
This is the last
You don't want what you're
one.
gonna use. I'm running out of ideas.
Tricky. Bebe. Look so beautiful.
No, I had it. Or
I know. Oh, Bebe. I love you so much.
I love
Thank
you
you
too,
for
babe.
all of the work.
It's
Nah,
good,
I will
darling.
use it. But when do we get all these balloons?
Huh?
When did we get these balloons?
Secret. Secret.
So tricky. Oh, Bebe.
No, I had it. Or
Oh, yes, nervous?
Yeah.
You're the best. Okay.
I love you.
I love you all.
I cannot cut them inside.
You're the best.
Hmm?
It's not the same. Every time we talked, I was just like,
Yeah.
I'll be good. You ready to get married?